Good day, everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video, I got my 2011 Jetta Tdi MK6 that we're going to replace the Serpentine belt on. I had it at the dealership for some warranty work, and they said I needed the Serpentine belt changed, and I said I'd do it myself, and it's right down there. But if you want to access it to change it, you got to start by removing the belly pan underneath, and you're going to need some Torx drivers to get the belly pan out. If you've never had your belly pan off before, there is 3 large ones on the very back. There's 4 coming up the side, and then 1 in the middle in the front, and then you just pull that out. Once you're done, just slide it out of the way, and that gives you access to the bottom of the engine where we need to go up in there. So you really want to pay attention to the orientation of the belt. And on this car, it's actually really simple. So looking in there, tensioner is loosened off by a bolt there. That's how we're going to rotate it and slide the belt off. So it's a 16mm wrench. That's how you're going to be able to pull her out. So I got the new belt to install. It's a Gates. That's the part number. And it's probably a horrible video to see because it's dark and you're not going to get a flashlight for the install, but it's pretty tight in there. Try to get a camera. So now, I try to fish my camera up in there. I got the belt fed around except for the AC compressor. So I need to back that tensioner off so I can feed it on the AC compressor, and we should be good to go. I don't know how much of that you actually seen. Well, I don't know how much of that you actually seen. So anyways, I'm gonna walk you through here. As you can see, the belt is put on. So with a 16mm wrench, I moved the tensioner. Had one hand up in here with the wrench for the tensioner. I fished my other hand through here, and I worked the belt around the pulley to a point where I couldn't fish it anymore, so I kind of rested it on the side of the pulley here, and then took the wrench off because it was being held on the side here, and then readjusted the wrench, and then opened up the tensioner and slid the belt on, and then double check, make sure the belt is on the shifts properly, and if you're happy with it, put your cover back on. And there you have it. I apologize if the video is bad, but under the circumstances, there's not a lot of room in there to try to get a camera. But hopefully I explained it better than how the camera picked it up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I want to thank you for watching.